Looking for the perfect air rifle that combines precision, power, and reliability? Whether you're a seasoned shooter, a hunting enthusiast, or just starting out, choosing the right air rifle can make all the difference. In 2026, the market is packed with impressive models that push the boundaries of accuracy and performance, offering features that cater to both casual shooters and serious marksmen. From sleek break barrel designs to high-tech PCP rifles, our list of the top 12 best air rifles for 2026 highlights the standout options that are sure to elevate your shooting experience. Let's dive in and find your next favorite rifle. BRK Ranger XR. The BRK Ranger XR is a compelling choice for shooters who want a compact yet capable air rifle. Weighing only around 2.5 kilograms, 5.5 pounds, and with an overall length of about 600 millimeters, folded down even smaller, it's remarkably light and travel-friendly. It's a pre-charged pneumatic, PCP, side lever rifle with multi-shot magazine options, 11 shots in 22, 13 in 177, and fill pressure up to 200 bar. For UK legal models, it delivers up to 12 foot-pounds of power, while export versions can reach around 20 foot-pounds. The price sits in the region of £1,150 to £1,239, depending on seller and configuration. In use, the Ranger XR shines for its blend of portability and performance. The folding stock and lightweight build make it ideal for mobile shooting situations, whether stalking or getting into tight spaces. The adjustable trigger, power settings, and high-quality regulator system all contribute to an accurate, refined feel. On the flip side, you're paying a premium for this sort of build and feature set, so if you're simply plinking, you might find something more cost-effective. But if you demand a compact, high-quality PCP air rifle, the Ranger XR certainly delivers. Gamo Riser Punisher. The Gamo Riser Punisher offers a remarkably polished experience for target shooters and hunters alike. Built on the respected Arrow platform, this PCP rifle features a refined wooden stock, a 10-shot multi-shot rotary magazine, and the Whisper Fusion sound suppressor for quieter operation, offering calibers in both 4.5mm for .177 and 5.5mm .22. It delivers top-tier performance, about 410 meters per second for the 4.5mm caliber .177 version and 360 meters per second for the .22, with energy up to 40 joules in the .22. On price, UK listings show around £399, while some European stores list it in the €350 to €400 range. In real-world use, its elegant finish, adjustability via the CAT trigger system, and multi-shot capability stand out, giving you both style and substance. If you're after a high-end PCP without stepping into elite price territory, the Riser Punisher is a compelling package. FX Leopard. The FX Leopard is an impressively engineered bullpup PCP rifle that blends high-performance features with serious versatility. It offers caliber options such as .177, .22, .25, and .30, and depending on variant, compact, standard, sniper, barrel lengths from approximately 500mm to 700mm, weight from approximately 3.4 to 4.2 kilograms, and an over-barrel air reservoir design for up to 890 cubic centimeters of air storage. Out of the box, you get FX's AMPMK2 regulator, the quick tune system, a 54 cubic centimeter power plenum, and a high-capacity rotary magazine tailored for heavy slugs. Price-wise, the standard bottle version lists at around €1,894, including tax in Europe. In use, this rifle feels premium. Great ergonomics, solid precision potential, and flexibility to tune it for both sport or hunting. On the flip side, it's not cheap, and its advanced tuning features may be more than a casual shooter needs. Norica Omnia ZRS Pro. The Norica Omnia ZRS Pro is a standout break barrel air rifle that aims to bring PCP-like smoothness to a spring-piston platform. The rifle features the patented ZRS Zero Recoil system, which is designed to virtually eliminate felt recoil at the moment of firing, boosting accuracy and reducing scope shock. Available in .177, 4.5mm, and .22, 5.5mm calibers. The rifle has a barrel length of 500mm, overall length of 1,200mm, and weighs approximately 4 kilograms. Standard velocity for the .177 version is around 250 meters per second, and for the .22, around 275 meters per second, with energy figures at approximately 16 joules and 24 J respectively. Pricing for the Pro version is listed around €589 in Europe. In use, it delivers a refined feel. The recoil mitigation is genuinely noticeable and friendly to optics. The stock is ambidextrous, and the long 11mm rail allows a versatile scope setup. On the flip side, while the power levels are modest, the premium build and novel system are the selling points. So if you're chasing raw power, you may look elsewhere. But for smooth, accurate plinking or field use, it's a compelling package. FX Impact M4. The FX Airguns Impact M4 is a remarkable piece of engineering for serious airgun shooters. Built as a fully modular PCP pre-charged pneumatic rifle, it offers caliber options from .177 through .30, a regulated system for exceptionally consistent shot-to-shot performance, and a highly customizable platform with interchangeable barrels, adjustable hammer spring tension, and external valve control. The standard model features a 600mm barrel, around 6.85 pounds weight, and fills to 250 bar, 3,625 pounds per square inch, for shot counts like 375 in 177 caliber. As for price, it typically retails around $2,295 to $2,495, depending on configuration. In real-world use, the Impact M4 impresses with its accuracy, build quality, and adaptability, whether you're hunting, target shooting, or need high performance for advanced applications. On the flip side, its premium cost and complexity mean it's best suited for experienced users who will benefit from the tuning and modularity, rather than beginners. BRK Ghost. The BRK Ghost impresses from the moment you shoulder it. A sleek bullpup PCP air rifle that feels both modern and meticulously engineered. Built-in configurations including the high power and plus versions. It offers barrel lengths of 584mm, CA 23 inches, or 430mm, CA 17 inches, respectively, with a 480 cubic centimeter carbon air bottle and a weight from approximately 3.1 to 3.4 kilograms, depending on the model. Caliber options span .177, .22, .25, and .30, and a clever 20-position power dial allows for fine adjustment of shot output. Pricing for the mainline Ghost models begins around £1,500 in the UK for the Plus version, with Special Edition or high-power variants reaching £1,950 or more. In use, the Ghost blends compact handling with high-end features, adjustable trigger, side lever action, and modular accessories, making it a standout for experienced shooters seeking precision. If you're after raw brute force power, you might look elsewhere, but for versatility and engineering finesse, it's a strong choice. Norica Omnia ZRS. The Norica Omnia ZRS is a break barrel air rifle that truly stands out thanks to its patented ZRS, Zero Recoil system, which promises virtually no felt recoil, a game changer for accuracy and scope longevity. It comes in .177 and .22 calibers, with velocities up to around 1,035 feet per second, .177 and 870 feet per second .22, UV .26 in certain versions. The rifle features a gas ram power plant, ambidextrous synthetic stock, a 2-stage adjustable trigger, and an 11mm dovetail scope rail for optics. Price-wise, it's found around €390, or roughly 400 pounds in the UK, depending on retailer and version. In practice, the Omnia ZRS delivers a smooth, enjoyable shooting experience with minimal recoil, ideal for shooters prioritizing feel and precision, but it sits at a premium price point compared with standard break barrel rifles. FX DRS. The FX Airguns DRS is a beautifully engineered PCP air rifle that seamlessly blends high-end performance with understated design, with caliber options in .177, .22, and .25. The classic version features a 500mm or 600mm barrel, an over-barrel aluminum air cylinder of approximately 208 to 260 cubic centimeters, and a fill pressure of 230 bar, 3,335 pounds per square inch. Key features include the AMP MKII regulator for superb shot-to-shot consistency, a 2-stage adjustable trigger, and a high-capacity magazine, 16 rounds in .177, 14 in .22. Price-wise, it's listed at around $1,106 for the synthetic classic version. In real use, the DRS feels refined and purpose-built. The compact form helps with carry, the modular design invites customization, and it's just plain fun to shoot. If you're a serious shooter wanting premium tactile feel and engineering, this rifle delivers, though it carries a premium price and might be overkill for casual use. Kalibrgun Snipe. The Kalibrgun Snipe is a top-tier PCP rifle built for shooters who demand precision and build quality, with options and calibers such as .22 and .25, 6.35mm, and configurations offering long 600 to 700mm barrels, 700 cubic centimeters air reservoirs, and fill pressures up to 300 bar. It clearly aims for serious performance. Price frames reflect that ambition. US listings place certain models around US $2,095. In practice, the Snipe delivers exceptionally consistent shot-to-shot performance, a refined trigger and ergonomics that suit both field use and bench rest style shooting. On the downside, the cost and size make it less suited for casual plinking. But if you're after a serious rifle experience, the Snipe absolutely deserves a close look. Umarex NOTOS PCP Airgun. The NOTOS downstream precharged pneumatic airgun is an impressively compact and feature-rich starter rifle for budget-conscious shooters. In its 22 caliber carbine version, it launches a 12-grain pellet at about 700 feet per second, thanks to a fill pressure of 3,625 pounds per square inch and a regulated output of 1,900 pounds per square inch. It weighs around 4.1 pounds, features a 7-round rotary magazine, shrouded barrel with Silencer 3 baffle system, Picatinny rail, and a side lever action. The price is very friendly. Many listings show around $265 to $300 US. In real use, the NOTOS feels agile, easy to carry, and fast on target, ideal for plinking or small game work. On the flip side, its shorter barrel and compact tank mean bullet counts and long-range power are limited compared to full-sized PCP rifles. So if you're after big game hunting or extended shooting sessions, you might want to step up. Daystate Alpha Wolf Safari. The Daystate Alpha Wolf Safari is a premium tier PCP air rifle that blends cutting-edge tech with refined craftsmanship. Equipped with a programmable touchscreen interface, fast swap ART barrels, humor air regulation, and an onboard chronograph, it offers serious flexibility and performance. Available in calibers from .177 up to .30, the Safari model delivers up to about 105 foot-pounds in the .30 version. With an overall length of 722mm for the base version and weight around 3.35 kilograms, it balances power and portability. Pricing reflects its class. UK listings show from £2,400 plus based on configuration. In use, it feels premium through and through. Sleek woodstock, refined trigger, and barely audible operation. It's ideal for serious hunters or target shooters who want top-spec performance. On the flip side, the cost and complexity may be overkill for casual plinking or entry-level shooters. Taipan Veteran 2 Tactical. The Taipan Veteran 2 Tactical is a standout PCP bullpup rifle that marries precision engineering with tactical styling. Available in calibers .177, .22, and .25. It features a free-floating CZ/Lothar-Walther barrel, 550mm or 700mm. A 480 cubic centimeters Kevlar-wrapped air bottle rated to 300 bar, and a smooth forward side lever cocking system. With build quality like this, you'd expect a premium price. UK listings show about £1,900 for the 550mm full stock tactical model. In use, the rifle impresses with crisp trigger feel, quiet operation, thanks to its shrouded barrel and moderator, and a satisfying solid feel overall. If you're looking for elite performance in a compact modern package, and don't mind the investment, the Veteran 2 Tactical delivers.